To carry your market on your head, carry your business on your head. Do it with as if your life depends on it. Advertise it. Tell people what you do. 10 businesses that you can start as slow as nothing. Number one is jewelry business. If you like, skip this video. That is your loss. And I'm saying you want to skip this video. You want to skip it. That is your loss. So that is your loss if you skip this video. You never tell to the bake of 2K online, Abby. Oh yeah, let's go back. Number one, I'm going to tell you how you can start, where you can get the business cheap, and how you can sell it. Don't skip this video if you never tired to the beg. Budget 2K. Oh yeah, let's start. If you want to start a jewelry business and you don't have any money, or you have like 50K, don't procrastinate. This is the time for you to start. You see inside that 50,000, just find your way to trade fair. Just find your way. Walk to trade fair. Jewelry market in trade fair in Lagos. Once you get to trade fair, enter a bike that is going to jewelry market. Once you get to that jewelry market, enter. Take your time. Research. Take your time. Enter inside. I don't know how you do your own business. I don't know how you manage to buy your own goods. But for me, I like to walk the whole market. I like to walk around all the whole market because the strategy I use in my business is for me to go to those people that don't have much customers. Do you know what those people do? Because they don't have much customers, they will still be selling at cheaper rate. When those people that be going to buy their goods and going to buy and come back and they be selling and they'll be adding money. But those ones that have been inside, they have old stock. And that old stock, they're going to get it cheaper. Take your time. Go around the whole market. Stop all this importation. Everybody want to be an importer. If you go to that jewelry market, you will get everything as low, as cheaper as every other person that is doing importation. We all know that importation is on a high cost. Dollar have risen, a lot of things have changed, and it's not as easy as it is before. Me, I used to import before from China, but since dollar rises, I stopped because 1 kg of any goods I'm buying now, because even with the lightweight goods that I always buy, is now also high. But those people that are buying goods that has weight, you know you are in the loss. You know that you are losing. So go to trade fair. When you get one person that is selling on wholesale, ask the person, please, how can I be seeing your WhatsApp status? Ask the person, please, how can I be seeing when you posted good things? Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And mind you, if you are watching this video alone without sharing it, you are not being good. Please share it for others to follow you and benefit, because there are a lot of people that want to venture into business and they don't know how they can do it. So this video is going to be of help, and from there you know you're going to be helping someone. The next business that you can do is cross business. Calm down. I know you'll be asking, where will I get this cross? All these flat slippers. In this business, is still in the same market that you will get it. The same process, the same method that you use in collecting their WhatsApp number, the same way you use in collecting their the jewelry WhatsApp number. Use the same method on these cross slippers. From there, you will be getting the message they are sending. You will be getting their WhatsApp status. You will be getting the updates when their new goods arrive, when they are doing clearance sales, and so on and so forth. Let's go into the third one. The next business that you can start is hair business. Hair business, if you have as low as 50K, you can go to that market and get hair as cheap as you can with that 50,000. I know you will be like, with 50,000, how many hair can it get for you? Don't be surprised when you get there. Those ones that are selling one hair 50,000 naira for you inside shop, it's the same place that they went and go and buy it. Yes, I'm leaking the secret for you. It's the same place that they go and buy it. So you can use that 50,000, venture it into hair, post it on your WhatsApp status, post it on Facebook Marketplace, advertise your business, post it on your status, let people know what you do, let people know that this is what you're into. Yes, you are hearing me. I'm making points, right? I'm making sense, right? Once you get to trade fair, Abia Gate, check it from there. If you cannot locate the place, ask questions. Yes. You don't get direction without asking questions. Ask questions. Ask what you're looking for. Ask people what you want. You will get direction. Don't say you are not going to do it. Enter market first. Enter market. You will see all these things I'm telling you. Enter that market. You will see what I'm telling you at a cheaper rate. You will see it. All these braided hair, all these soft hairs, all these bundles of hair that are soft. You are going to get them there cheap. today, sometimes you might even go and come back and find out that you can call somebody to sew the hair for you and turn it into a wig. Even if they add you to their WhatsApp status, you add money and post it back on your own WhatsApp status. Yes. And when somebody order, you call a ride and send it to the person. There is no way you can stay at home and be asking for urgent 2K. In this era, we are no more on the errand of urgent 2K. We are in the errand of you making money by yourself. Making money by yourself. That is the errand that we are now. Number 4 business is eyelash and lip gloss. I'm pairing this together because they are lightweight goods. So eyelashes and eyelashes and lip gloss business. You see my mouth? Do you see it? It's a business that people, they overlook it, but it's business that sells. Try it. Take your eyelashes, send it on your WhatsApp status that you're selling eyelash and attach your price. Come back here to come and comment in the comment section because you're going to sell a lot. If you go to that market, if you go to the Trash Fair market, go there, look for lip gloss, the one that have scent, the one that have good aroma, the one that the aroma is so attractive. Buy them in wholesale. Come and post it on your WhatsApp status, and you will see how people are going to buy it. You can as well attach nails to it. Attach nails to it. You see this 3 business: eyelash, lip gloss, and nails. Combine it together and go and buy. You can get all these ones as cheap as 1,000 naira in your wholesale. Go and get them. These things I mentioned here. These 3 things are the things that all these things are the things that they don't expire. They don't expire easily. They don't get spoiled easily. They can last long. So it doesn't matter how much quantity that you get them. Definitely, you are going to sell it. Start first. Start. If you get all this business, if you get all these goods, start from people around you. Start from the contact around you. Start from the people that you know around you. And don't be proud when you are doing business. See how I'm shouting because this is my business. That is why I'm shouting. Make it. Don't be proud. Don't be shy. To carry your market on your head. Carry your business on your head. Do it with as if your life depends on it. Advertise it. Tell people what you do. Don't be lazy. Every morning when you wake up, carry your camera, carry your phone. If you don't have lights, go outside. Carry it, hold it like this. Tell them, hello friend, my name is Alice, and I'm a very sweet girl. And don't forget that I'm still selling hair. Don't forget I'm still selling lip gloss. Don't forget that I'm still selling eyelash. Don't forget that I'm still selling nails. Yeah? Don't worry. If they did not buy that time, they'll buy next time. If they did not buy that day, definitely one day they will buy. Yes, I'm telling you this thing. It's like that. It works. It works. Now, I've talked about the 4th business. The fifth business I'm going to talk about now is pink lips. Yes, pink lips. It's a business that people don't really, they underlook it. Pink lips business. A lot of people want to look beautiful. A lot of people want to look fine. Venture into big business. Like I said before, use it, make a video, hold it and make a video and post it. If they don't buy today, they will buy tomorrow. Keep reminding them, making people know that this is what I do. They will one day definitely patronize you. That is how people grow in business. That is how people grow in whatever they do. You don't just grow in business one day. You keep on doing it. You keep on telling people this is what I do. This is what I patronize me. One day they will definitely patronize you. Now, I've mentioned 5. Which pink lips is the 5th one? Oil perfume. Oil perfume is the 6th one. Oil perfume, go to the market, look for the good one that has good fragrance. Oil perfume and body spray. Oil perfume and body spray. They are also good business that people venture into and they're making money out of it. So go into the market, you will see all these things. See the one that have good fragrance, and buy them. Other ones is liquid soap. Liquid soap is another business that you overlook. And liquid soap, you can easily learn how to make liquid soap online. Even in this YouTube, you can just type how to make liquid soap. You will see a lot of ways of making liquid soap, which is easy and you can easily make it. You can also another business again you can also do is shampoo and conditioner. And in this YouTube, you can also learn how to make shampoo and conditioner and post it on your WhatsApp status. Go to Facebook Marketplace, go to your WhatsApp, all your social media accounts, post the whole thing there. Definitely you will sell. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video for others to see because I know you have gotten value. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!